Something but me not tell you. With any one of them look a pussy and make him mistake. Feel brave, run up on my mama spend shell you. We never say we untouchable, no say you can't do your thing, but your head up you go shake like jello.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Alkaline just released a new song when him not tell you. It's a gun song, it's a bad song, it's a bomb song. So we are gonna review it right now.
Boss it. Lemela, you say we killers. Anything or anything them try, but we'll never win all of chaos when we go war. That's what I'm for with a real murderer. I will not take this, we'll left you on the task.
From you hear the intro, fi not tell you. Me not fi tell you say that song is a bad song. Me not fi tell you say that song is a gun song. Me not fi tell you say that song is a hit song. You know what I mean? But you see true, me not too bright. I wonder what Holocaust mean.
Here's the definition of Holocaust. Destruction or slaughter on a mass scale, especially caused by fire or nuclear war.
I know me say so, I Google say so. So you know say anytime Alkaline done with a song, it a go be destruction, it a go be slaughter, it a go be massacre. No pun intended.
Something but me not tell you. With any one of them look a pussy and make him mistake. Feel brave, run up on my mama spend shell you. We never say we untouchable, no say you can't do your thing, but your head up you go shake like jello. Walk up, meet on the pussy with my gun under me and murder you, them a murder you fellow. Crime scene tape off yellow when the dogs them pass through. Nobody no live we expel you.
Inna the chorus, easily, Alkaline just use words and show me what I want. Alkaline use words and show me how him a go kill the boy. Oh, him a go walk up on the boy with the gun in him arm. Well tucked and everybody expect a gun to be in a waist. But no, Alkaline put a gun on him arm. So Alkaline, how your arm so big? Your arm can hold one matic.
Chatting on the lip and on my thing. But just one was of them hurt na year on my skin. My pray me youth na get retribution for my sin. When everybody have a hate that for the right thing.
One thing, when you're a gangster, that are your biggest fear. If you're a gangster and you have a youth, I say yo, you don't want nobody do your youth nothing, or you don't want nobody do your family them nothing. Because what? No care how bad you be, you can't around everybody at the same time. You can't protect everybody at the same time. And right now at that Alkaline I say, him a pray, same youth na get retribution for fame sin. You have a saying in a Jamaica we say, you can't catch Quaco, you catch him short. But people, me never know say Alkaline have no youth.
Yeah, day before I'm strong, we go surprise him. Him never get to see the cake, much less the icing. Pull up with the intro, take and tranquilize him. Them shoulda know for war with me and my dogs, that's so exciting.
I say you know when man a step serious, them premeditate something. The man a say yo look ya, you know say tomorrow I'm earth strong. So what? We now go kill him pan him earth strong. Cause it all look too grimy. We go kill him before him earth strong. No, that dangerous. Him never get to see the cake, much less the icing.
Dark and wicked, never soft man reject. Shoulda seen face so him get bummy and timid. We up out of the pro box and catch the full of play scrimmage. 4 piece to him chest and ball game finish no.
People, more wanna tell me this in the comment section. Who did I play a ball game and the ball game have it done? Who get 4 piece in him head? Where did I play scrimmage? But no. Me not really feel like that man. Because them man they don't know about league. Them only play World Cup.
When no deaf your wide, no corner, no crevice. Anywhere you go we find you. It no hard, no physics. Hype them a live off a rascal gimmick. But every enemy I go get them in this.
People, at this point in the review, more on the comment in the comment section and tell me, who you feel like Alkaline attack? Who Alkaline not tell we who in the song when him not tell you? Jano Star. More know.
Dog me not tell you. Say any one of them look a pussy and make him mistake. Feel brave, run up on my mama spend shell you. We never say we untouchable, no say you can't do your thing, but your head up you go shake like jello. Walk up, meet on the pussy with my gun under me and murder you, them a murder you fellow. Crime scene tape off yellow when the dogs them pass through. Nobody no live we expel you.
Do remember that if you are not already a subscriber, you can just click the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you are gonna be the first to know. You have to then I know, you know. Even though I not tell you.
Load the Glock, circle the block for make a attack. Anything we lose out on the front, we just a Lego shot. Sitting off the drop, no me not go waste me gas. Same thing them woulda pray for do if we did a lap.
No, me tell you say this is a grimy tune. Yo, the man a try conserve. So the man say, yo, you see anytime me go in the car there and go up on the ends there, something off it drop. Because him now a circle of ends there and burn out him gas. People, a serious time we are living in now. Gas very expensive. So you have to economize in a today's society. So Alkaline just say, yo, you know what? Me not do a carpool. Me I do a dead pool.
And we no care where your guy want pray. We no business who you be, no man no matter than way. But who wanna wait feel me no got it on me. Fuck around and you gon' say, yeah. We step up in a them scheme is a murder scene. Man a allow what doing, think a gal a scream. Every man ready the hype and a chant tough. Lift up and left him when me a clap in 19.
Alkaline a laugh off of the man them where I act tough. But me can't tell you something. Me can't tell you this right now. You see, anytime you bust gunshot, it don't sound that loud, you know. But you see, anytime gunshot a bust off of you, your ears drum them a bust. Worse if it all goes so booms and lick the zinc side of you. If your heart used to beat 100 beat per minute, right now it all there 300 beat per minute. Yo, your heart get up out of your chest and go right to your mouth and you're ready to spit it out. So you have to take with yourself. But a Alkaline a laugh off of the man them John Star.
And we no care where your guy want pray. We no business who you be, no man no matter than way. But who wanna wait feel me no got it on me. Fuck around and you gon' say know something but me not tell you.
So people, we have come to the end of my review. But I want to continue the discussion in the comment section. Comment who you feel say Alkaline attack. Who Alkaline not tell we. You see me? And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video if you like it, and if you don't, you know what to do. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and you can follow me on IG at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's IAMDJCHADDY. And I'm out.
Know something but me not tell you. With any one of them little pussy I make a mistake. Feel brave, run up on my mama spend shell you. We never say we untouchable, no say you can't do your thing, but your head up it go shake like jello.